Like and subscribe. The facts drone. Players with biggest hands in the NBA history. The National Basketball Association, NBA, is known for tall players. The biggest advantage people have in the NBA is big hands. However, it is not necessary for a player to have a big hand to make a successful career in the NBA, but it is an added advantage. Big hands result in better handling and control of the ball. In this article, we will look at players with the biggest hands in NBA history. The hand length and the hand span of the player are taken into consideration while preparing this list. 5. Connie Hawkins. Born on July 17, 1942, in Brooklyn, New York, Hawkins was a professional basketball player who played only 7 seasons in the NBA. His hand size was 18% larger than a normal size and 13% wider. Connie's hand size was 10.5 inches, hand length, and 11 inches, hand span. He passed away in 1970. Hawkins was a 4-time NBA All-Star, 1970 to 1973, and All-NBA First Team, 1970. 4. Greg Smith. The 30 years plays for Mineros de Zacatecas of the Liga Nacional de Baloncesto Profesional, LNBP. His hand size is measured 9% longer and 21% wider. Smith's hand measurements are 9.8 inches, hand length, and 12 inches, hand span. He was undrafted in the NBA in 2011 but later signed with the Houston Rockets. During his professional career, he has represented numerous teams. 3. Giannis Antetokounmpo. The third name on this list is current NBA MVP, Giannis Antetokounmpo. The Greek international plays for the Milwaukee Bucks in the NBA. Compared to other average players, his hand span is 20% wider, and his hand length is 9%. Giannis' hand measurements are 9.85 inches, hand length, and 12 inches, hand span. He made his NBA debut in 2013. In the 2022 season, he won NBA Champion, NBA Finals MVP, NBA All-Star Game MVP, and All-NBA First Team. 2. Shaquille O'Neal. Next on the list is NBA veteran Shaquille O'Neal. He is regarded as one of the best basketball players in the world. His hands are not measured officially. However, his hands are considered to be 10.25 inches in length and 12 inches in width. Shaquille's shoe size was 22. The Lakers legend was one of the best centers in NBA history. 1. Boban Marjanovic. The player with the biggest hand in NBA history is Boban Marjanovic. The 33 years old currently plays for the Dallas Maverick in the NBA. He made his first NBA debut with the San Antonio Spurs in 2015 and plays for the Serbian national basketball team. Boban's hand measurements are 10.75 inches, hand length, and 12 inches, hand span. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, for daily updates.